Hey everyone, welcome back to Spy Drill. If you've been searching for a reliable phone monitoring app, you've probably come across Eyezy. It's one of the most talked about parental monitoring apps in 2026, but does it actually live up to the hype? Over the past few days, I tested Eyezy myself to see how well it performs in real-world use. In this review, I'll cover device compatibility, installation, features, pricing, my personal experience, and the one drawback I noticed during testing that you should know before purchasing. So let's get started. Eyezy supports both Android and iPhone, although the setup process differs depending on the device. For Android, it works with Android 4.0 and above. Most core features don't require rooting, which makes installation much easier for parents. Setting it up is straightforward. You'll need physical access to the phone for a few minutes, download the app from Eyezy's official website, follow the installation steps, and once everything is configured, the app quietly runs in the background while syncing data to your online dashboard. For iPhones, the process is different. In many cases, Eyezy can collect data using the target device's iCloud backup, meaning you usually don't need to jailbreak the device or install the app. After entering the iCloud credentials, supported data starts appearing inside your dashboard once syncing is complete. Overall, the installation process is beginner-friendly on both platforms. One thing I liked immediately was the dashboard. Everything is organized into separate categories, so finding messages, locations, media files, or social apps is very simple. Even if you've never used a monitoring app before, the interface is easy to navigate without much of a learning curve. However, during my testing, I noticed one thing. Unlike some competitors, Eyezy isn't always the quickest at syncing new information. While certain activities appeared fairly quickly, screenshots, media, and some activity logs occasionally took close to an hour before showing up in my dashboard. It's not necessarily a deal breaker, but if you're expecting every update to appear instantly, that's something to keep in mind. Eyezy includes several advanced monitoring tools that go beyond basic phone tracking. However, these advanced features require the Ultra plan, which is generally more expensive, so keep that in mind. One of the most impressive features is surrounding listening. This lets you remotely activate the microphone on the target phone and listen to nearby sounds in real time. Parents can use this to better understand the environment around their child whenever necessary. Another useful addition is the remote camera feature. Instead of only hearing what's happening, you can remotely capture images using the phone's camera. This provides extra context by showing the surroundings visually rather than relying only on audio. Eyezy also supports call recording for supported devices. Besides displaying call history, it can record regular phone calls and, in certain cases, WhatsApp calls as well. The recordings are saved inside the dashboard so you can review them later. Another feature I found useful is live screenshots. From your dashboard, you can request a screenshot of the target device, allowing you to see what's currently happening on the screen. If you want an even better view, Eyezy also includes live screen streaming on supported devices. Rather than viewing individual screenshots, you can watch the phone's display in real time as the user browses apps, sends messages, or uses social media. These advanced features significantly expand what parents can monitor, although availability depends on the subscription plan and device compatibility. Now let's move on to the features most people will use every day. Eyezy records both incoming and outgoing calls. You'll be able to see contact names, phone numbers, call duration, and timestamps, making it easy to review recent communication. The app also tracks SMS messages. During testing, I was able to view both existing conversations and, depending on synchronization timing, some deleted messages as well. This gives parents additional visibility into conversations that may otherwise disappear. Eyezy also monitors media activity. Images and videos captured after installation usually appear inside the dashboard, allowing you to review recent media files without directly accessing the phone. Although uploads aren't always immediate, they remained reliable throughout my testing. Location tracking is another major feature. Eyezy displays the phone's location on an interactive map and regularly updates its position throughout the day. Parents can quickly check whether their child has safely arrived at school, home, or any other destination. To make location tracking even more useful, Eyezy includes geofencing. You can create virtual safe zones around locations such as home or school. Whenever the device enters or leaves one of these areas, you'll receive an alert inside the dashboard. For many parents, this can be much more convenient than manually checking the phone's location throughout the day. One of Eyezy's biggest strengths is social media monitoring. It supports many of today's most popular messaging platforms, including WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook Messenger, Snapchat, Telegram, Viber. Depending on the device and permissions, you can view conversations, shared media, and other activity directly from the dashboard. Since messaging apps are where most communication happens today, this is one of the platform's most valuable features. Eyezy includes a built-in keylogger. Every keystroke typed on the monitored device can be recorded, allowing you to review searches, messages, usernames, and other typed content. Alongside this is the keyword alert feature. You can create a list of words or phrases, and whenever one of those keywords is typed, Eyezy notifies you. For parents, this can provide an early warning if potentially concerning conversations begin taking place. Another feature worth mentioning is Wi-Fi tracking. Eyezy keeps a record of Wi-Fi networks the device connects to, along with timestamps. This information can help parents understand where a child spends time based on the networks they regularly connect to. The app also offers remote Wi-Fi blocking for supported devices, giving parents additional control when needed. Eyezy isn't limited to monitoring. It also allows parents to block selected applications and websites remotely. Once an app is blocked, it can't be opened on the monitored device until access is restored. Similarly, blocked websites won't load regardless of which browser is being used. This gives parents another way to manage screen time and limit access to unwanted content. As you can see here, Eyezy offers multiple subscription plans depending on how long you want to use the service. The monthly plan is the most expensive on a per-month basis but offers maximum flexibility. If you plan to use Eyezy for several months, the quarterly subscription provides noticeably better value. The annual plan is the most affordable overall, bringing the monthly cost down significantly compared to paying month by month. As with most monitoring apps, longer subscriptions offer the best pricing. I also tested Eyezy's customer support. The company offers live chat through its website, and responses were generally quick. Whether you need help with the installation, billing, or troubleshooting, the support team was responsive during my testing, which is always reassuring when using software like this. So, is Eyezy worth buying in 2026? Overall, I'd say yes. Eyezy delivers an impressive set of monitoring features for both Android and iPhone. The installation process is simple, the dashboard is clean and beginner-friendly, and it covers almost everything most parents would expect, including location tracking, social media monitoring, call logs, messages, media files, key logging, and advanced tools like live screenshots, call recording, remote camera access, and surrounding listening. That said, no monitoring app is perfect. The biggest issue I experienced during testing was the syncing speed. While some information updated fairly quickly, screenshots, media files, and certain activity logs occasionally took close to an hour before appearing in the dashboard. If you're expecting every update to appear instantly, that delay may be a little frustrating. However, if you can live with slightly slower synchronization, Eyezy remains a capable parental monitoring solution with one of the most comprehensive feature sets currently available. I hope this review helped you decide whether Eyezy is the right choice for your needs. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to Spy Drill for more honest monitoring app reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.